Hello good hearts and godsends, our featured font for today is a signature font name on JOUR MERVEILLEUX. You can find this font in our latest ebook, Canva Fontshord. Turn the 300 plus pages of it and you'll find it on page 277. On JOUR MERVEILLEUX is an amazing free account font. You can try it out in your designs. Here are the sample designs I created to inspire your creativity. If you want to have a copy of our latest ebook with 5,800 plus fonts listed in 300 plus pages, wherein we put a star on the for account fonts for easy to identify, check and click the link in the description below to get your copy. Enjoy designing with the marvelous fonts inside Canva Fontshord. This is Godson B.A. Pinky, thanking you for watching this and see you again next time for more featured fonts.